If you need a hair miracle, literally look no further because this stuff is absolutely incredible. It's the Miracle Fruit Oil and it derives its oil from miracle fruit berries, which I had never heard of until this product. But let me tell you, it works so well. Like, you put it on your hair and it's the softest thing I've ever felt. Like, I literally just find myself going like this all day, every day after I put this in because I just want to feel how soft my hair is. And I bleach color the whole shebang on my hair. And so this stuff, incredible. Literally all you have to do is put a little in your hand. I run it through and it provides heat protection up to 450 degrees. So you can literally just style your hair directly after this. And your hair, I promise you, will never feel softer than after using this. And it smells so good. Like, I became a hair sniffer after using this product. And I never thought I would say that. And I probably still shouldn't. But it feels and smells so good. On the back, it says it penetrates deep into the hair shaft and strengthens the hair and is clinically proven to prevent breakage and repair split ends. And let me tell you, it does it. And also, it's like an oil, but it's not like oily, which I don't know how that works. I don't know what kind of magic they're putting into this, but you need it. Because, like, I put it all throughout my hair just feels good. Also, if you have a really hard time detangling your hair, if you put this in before you brush it out, like wash your hair, get out of the shower, it's all wet, really hard to detangle, put a couple of pumps of this throughout it. It literally feels like you're brushing butter. I don't know if that makes sense, but like the feeling of cutting butter and how smooth that is, that's what it feels like to brush your hair.